The chapter is Triangles for Standard 7 and it's part 3. Now in this triangle ABC, this angle A is given as 55, this is 100 and this is 25 given, and you have to find all the other angles. It is also given DE is parallel to BC. Now we'll start with triangle BDC. It's already given, this is 100, we know this is 25, from that we can find angle 4. So from triangle BDC, (100 plus 25 plus angle 4 is equal to 180, angle sum property. From that we can get angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 125, we get 55 degrees. Angle 1 equal to 55, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. So angle 4 is equal to 55 degrees. Now if you see, angle 1 and angle 4 are corresponding angles because DE is parallel to BC. So we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 4. The reason is DE is parallel to BC, corresponding angles. So we get 1 also is equal to 55 degrees. So angle 1 is equal to 55 degrees. Now in triangle ADE, now we will go to this. So in triangle ADE, we get 55 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. 55 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. So 55 plus angle 1 is equal to 55 plus angle 2 is equal to 180, from which you will get angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degrees. So we will write angle 2 is equal to 70 degrees. Now angle 3 and angle this 25, they are equal because DE is parallel to BC and alternate interior angles. So angle 3 is equal to 25. The reason is DE parallel to BC, alternate interior angles. So angle 3 is equal to 25 degrees. Now if you see 2 and 6, they form a linear pair. So I'll write this as, so angle 2 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. That is linear pair. So angle 2 is 70 degrees. So 70 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. From which we'll get angle 6 is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. So angle 6 is equal to 110 degrees. Now we have to find angle 5. So if we know 3 and 6 and we have to find 5 here. So in triangle DEC, angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. This angle sum property. This is also angle sum property. So we get angle 3 is 25 degrees Angle 6 is 110 and angle 5 is what we have to find. So 180 degrees. Angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 110 plus 25 is 135 minus 135 is equal to 45 degrees. So angle 5 is equal to 45 degrees. Here in this figure, all the angles P, Q, R and S is equal to 90 degrees, and these angles are also given. This is 20 degrees, this is 45 and this is 70. Now we have to find all the remaining angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. So in triangle QPT, now we will start with this. So this is already given as, this is 90 degrees and this we know as 20. So from that we can find angle 1. So I will write in triangle QPT, angle 1 plus angle P plus angle TQP is equal to 180 degrees angle sum property. So angle 1 plus angle P is 90 and TQP is 20 is given. So from that we get angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degrees. So angle 1 is equal to 70 degrees. Now we will go to this 1, 2 and 45 together will make 180. All angles, sum of all angles on one side of the line is 180. So we will write this as angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is sum of all angles on one side of the line. So we can write 1 is equal to 70 plus angle 2 is what we have to find plus 45 is equal to 180, from which you will get angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 70 plus 45 is 115 is equal to 65 degrees. So angle 2 is 65 degrees. Now we will go to this triangle. So in triangle TSU, this is 90, this is 45. So we have to find angle 5. So angle, I'll write 45 plus angle S plus angle 5 is equal to 180. So angle S is 90. So angle 5 is the angle 45 plus 90 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. So angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 45 is 135 is equal to 45 degrees. So angle 5 is equal to 45 degrees. Now we will take this. Now 5, 70 and angle 6. Angle 5, angle 6 and 70, that will form 180. So we will write angle 5 plus 70 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. The reason is the same reason. So this will be angle 5 is equal to, we already got 45. So 45 plus 70 plus angle 6 is equal to 180, from which you will get angle 6 is equal to 180 minus 115 is equal to 65 degrees. So angle 6 is equal to 65 degrees. Now we will consider this triangle. In triangle URQ. Again, these three angles will form 180 plus angle R plus angle 4 is equal to 180. The reason is angle sum property. So angle 6 is 65 degrees plus 90 degrees plus angle 4 is equal to 180, from which you will get angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 155 is equal to 25 degrees. So angle 4 is equal to 25 degrees. Now we are left with only this angle. So here you can take either the triangle TUQ, angle 2 plus 70 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, or you can see this, the full angle is 90. So 20 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 90. So I am taking this angle PQT plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 90 degrees. The reason is angle PQR is 90 is given. Therefore, 20 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 25 degrees is equal to 90. So angle 3 is equal to 90 minus 45 is equal to 45 degrees. So angle 3 is equal to 45 degrees.